Every new loan officer asks the same question: how do I get more clients? But here's the truth. Clients aren't looking for loan officers. They're looking for someone they can trust with one of the biggest financial decisions of their lives. The top producing loan officers don't win because they know more mortgage products. They win because they're visible. They're posting content. They're building realtor relationships. They're educating first and selling second. At TAM Mortgage, we help loan officers create consistent opportunities by teaching the strategies that actually generate conversations. Because your next client isn't waiting for another sales pitch. They're waiting for someone to show up and provide value. Stop chasing leads. Start becoming the loan officer people remember. Helping loan officers build careers, not just pipelines. Contact TAM Mortgage today.